In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the border color of a table in Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're looking to add a touch of personal flair or need to adhere to specific presentation color schemes, adjusting the border colors on your tables can greatly enhance the visual appeal of your slides. Let's dive into the straightforward process of customizing your table's borders within PowerPoint. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft PowerPoint application. You can do this by locating the PowerPoint icon on your desktop or in your applications folder and double clicking it. Once you've got PowerPoint open, you're ready to move on to the next step. The next thing you'll want to do is open the specific PowerPoint file you intend to work on. Right from the opening screen, you can easily access your recent files or navigate through your computer's directories to find the presentation file you need. When you've found the right file, open it up and let's proceed to work on those tables. Now, navigate to the slide that contains the table you wish to modify. Once you've located the table, give it a click. This action will make the table active and bring up two specific tabs at the top of your PowerPoint interface: Table Design and Layout. These tabs are part of PowerPoint's Table Tools feature, and they're where you're going to make all your table adjustments. Once your table is selected, go ahead and click on the Table Design tab. This area of PowerPoint is dedicated to changing the appearance of your table, including everything from the fill color of cells to the border color, which we're focusing on today. It's a central spot for all things design related to your table, ensuring that your data not only communicates effectively, but looks good while doing so. Within the Table Design tab, look for the Shading option. The Shading option allows you to change the fill color of your table cells, but we're going to use it as a stepping stone to accessing more border color options. Click on Shading and you'll notice that beyond just cell shading, you'll have access to a wide palette of colors that can be applied in various ways to your table, including to the borders. Now it's time to select your color. As you explore the color options, think about your presentation's overall theme and what you're trying to convey. Choosing a color that complements your presentation's color scheme can make your table pop and help maintain visual coherence across your slides. Feel free to play around with different colors until you find one that fits perfectly. But here's where a bit of extra detail comes in handy. To specifically change the border color, after clicking on Shading, look for the border options, which typically appear as a small icon resembling a pen or border line. From there, you'll have the choice to outline the entire table or individual cells with your new color. Applying the color change might be slightly different depending on your PowerPoint version, but the option is generally found close by. Changing the border color of your tables in PowerPoint doesn't just make your slides more attractive. It can also enhance readability and viewer engagement, making the information you're presenting stand out more distinctly. It's a simple tweak that can have a significant impact on the effectiveness of your presentations. Remember, the key to a great presentation isn't just in the information it contains, but also in how that information is presented. By customizing the appearance of tables in your PowerPoint slides, you're taking an important step towards creating a visually appealing presentation that captures and keeps your audience's attention. And there you have it. You now know how to change the border color of a table in Microsoft PowerPoint. It's a small change, but it's details like these that can elevate your presentation from good to great. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors until you find the perfect one for your slide. Thanks for following along and happy presenting.